All right, guys, here we are. It's going on the 24th of December, so Merry Christmas tomorrow. We're at the ice fishing show, St. Paul. So I'm going to walk around here. I've done it before. It was $27.50 to park.
It's really light.
Even though I live on a lake, we don't ice fish. I know it's a big thing, but it's actually real time here this year. So if you know, it's way ahead of time is long overdue. But these augers are not cheap. And cruise over here. So we got all kinds of fun stuff here. More augers.
Shit everywhere, right?
Yeah, shit everywhere. Well, it can be for some people. See all those augers up there.
Not quite.
How's it going, my friend?
Pretty good yourself.
So what are these? Are the augers action?
Razor augers. Yep.
Okay, all right, cool. Even though I live on a lake, I don't ice fish. But
Okay. Oh, okay.
I know. But
Checking everything out.
pretty bad, pretty busy today. My God.
Yes, it is.
So you had the VIP hour, I guess, an hour beforehand.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep, we have the VIP now. It opened up to, I think,
Any grunt like myself?
Pretty much.
All right, good. So you can see all this stuff. Yeah, they're VIP. People come here and buy stuff and probably really even use it. You can kind of see. Over here, the boxes over here, all kinds of Yeti. So it's free for $8. So was this? What is this? Is this a portable one or what? What is this?
What's that?
Is that a portable one?
Yep. Yeah, it's a sleeper.
Okay. So a little ice fishing action.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. It's amazing, man.
Oh, yeah. Coming with some crazy products.
Even though I live on the lake, I don't ice fish. Occasionally I have. I did take my dogs one time and got caught some crappies. My dogs were eating the fish. My wife was pissed off.
It's always something, huh?
Yeah, I know. My father-in-law loved to ice fish.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God, he did it all the time. That's all he ever did. The day he died, he loved to ice fish. Loved sunnies. I'm big game.
This and these.
So you can see everything. A ton of behavior. Ton of stuff. But right now the weather is kind of cold here in Minnesota on the 5th day. So people are going to start falling through the... I saw another vlogger walk around with a camera. He had a GoPro 10 with him. But you can tell it's a big business. All this stuff, all this stuff right here. People, when I go fishing, I got 2 rods and reels, and that's all I ever got. But it's a big thing every year. Scoops. A lot of people buy this stuff, but then they don't go out at all. These things right here, $10, so all kinds of fun stuff. You can tell. You name it, they got it. You should see it in the sports show. I've done those before, you guys. My brother-in-law's got like about 5-6 rods and a reel. I don't know. I get ice fishing, but I like to sit on the shore.
So with my
Yeah, whatever this stuff is, I have no idea. These big bad boys. Propane.
Wait.
People are gonna be falling in the lakes because it's allegedly cold. Here's some. I got a pair. I got a kind of a pair of these for my work. These are nice. These are really nice. I like those. $70. I got some welding gloves. These are nice. Really, really nice. These are nice. I like them. You got all kinds of fun jackets here. You name it. More fishing rods. More jackets, as you can see. These are nice. $230. Snow pants. You can spend a long way by it. You're not, no worries. 50% off these bad boys. I love those gloves we just saw. Those are nice gloves. Those are great when you're going out in the snow. Got the boots. These are nice when you're cruising out. I got a pair of rubber ones. These are some nice jackets too as well. Heavy as hell. But it's the ice fishing show, man, St. Paul. These are kind of nice little jackets when you run around outside in those. These are kind of cool. These are nice ones for Sue Ellen's got a pair of those. You can get these, put those on your boots, size 13s, wherever you can. Those are nice. Nice to have those. If I had I don't know, man. Maybe I might buy a pair of those. I don't know. Size 13. Put them on my. They are kind of nice. Who knows? Because she's got a pair on hers. She fell down, so you never know. Maybe we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll buy a pair before I head out today. Figure out how big a shoe I need. But here's some more gloves here. These are nice. These are sweet. I got plenty of gloves, but these are nice. Of course, you got more choppers here. The Yeti. Yeah, tomorrow's Christmas, you guys. Can you believe it? They got all kinds of these bad boys right here. Mugs, galore, $36. I got enough mugs. These are nice. I was here last time. I love these jackets. These are nice. A little warm. It's kind of a nice jacket, put over something else, but I do like that color. You have enough jacket, but I wouldn't mind buying that one. See, more gloves. Try to be careful not to film people when I'm doing this. Let's go about fishing gear. Okay. All right. A bunch of clothes. More stuff. Striker, $129. Oh, this is nice. I like this. This is not too bad of a jacket. It's kind of like this jacket right here, my Speculation Sports jacket. Perfect, not overly done. So, Eskimo. This is a nice jacket too as well. I like this one. I like that color. 250% off, so it's $150. Not bad at all. That's a 4XL.
What's it?
This is a nice jacket. I like those. I like those a lot.
Yeah.
Little Eskimo chair right there. You can go in here and hang out in here. Set it up. It's a portable one. You can be in here and come in here and you can sit down and because a lot of people have ice fish houses and they leave them on there also too. You're supposed to take out the lake, people will leave them on there. So you can sit in the chair and hang out. Kind of nice. But as you can tell, big crowd. $34 feet, 71 feet, all kinds of fun ones. So if you want to, instead of having the wooden structure, which I see people make, you can drive them out. You can take those old station wagons drill holes in them, which we've done before for people, and ice fish in them. How this stuff is, I have no idea.
Chiller in it. Oh, nice. Pumps in it.
Okay. Joe's is really good. All kinds of fishing stuff right here. Okay. Yeah, okay. It's not $549. I've seen them for sale. I saw one at a pawn shop for $200. Joe's, they're real good. They're out in St. Paul. They have all kinds of fun stuff. They're real good. They're off at 36. So, anyways, pretty interesting to see all this stuff. Anyway, this is the first video. I'm trying to keep these to like 11 minutes, whatever, so it doesn't too long, anyways, guys. So, we're on this next one, okay? All right.